Machiegni kendo janeno. Riwruok mar Kothe Cereal Millers Association kuom tudruok gi Kenya Red Cross Society e chenro mar chiwo chiemb kony ne jopuonjre maromo 61,000 e kinde penj mabiro chakore dweni. Tudruok ma kamano biro neno ni chiemo ochopo e skunde 150 e kauntis 9 ma pacho ka. Chiemo michwalo e skundego ibiro kan e kuonde kano chiemo moket thenge kod Red Cross. Kauntis mabiro yudo kony oting'o Meru, Garissa, Marsabit, Tana River, Samburu, Makueni, Kajiado, Nyeri kod Machakos. Chiemogo ibiro chiwe thuolo mag penj mag tam mar adek mabiro chakore e kor dweni.
There are many other impacts that we need to be aware of, and one of it, of course, is education, that many children are falling off school because of hunger. Some children are actually being removed from school by their parents because they cannot afford to pay maybe the school fees that the school would require to buy the food. But more importantly, because this drought has also led to the loss of livelihood, we have seen especially girls being married off early in some of the counties where we are actually going to be taking this food, so that the family can be given some cows in exchange for their daughter. And it's very disheartening.
The Cereal Millers Association and the Kenya Red Cross Society will from today begin distributing flour, targeting 61,000 school children, 150 schools across 9 counties. The feeding program will cover learners in Meru, Garissa, Marsabit,